You, every city is my hometown. Got your pity clicking on my profile. Difference is I'm living what I wrote down. Blue sky shining like I'm living on the coast now. Page, you would think I write for Kendrick on the low down. It's how it goes now. I ain't complaining, still got a few problems left, but I ain't trying to face them. Had a dream that I was laying down right on the pavement, and when I woke up, I realized that I am the Matrix. So I just shut up and I watch it from afar. Y'all hating. Do this while you looking for a job on Craigslist. Give me that glitter and I'll turn it into gold. These are tools that I've acquired during working in the cold. You came here for murk, but the person here is cold. You get the real me like the curtains weren't closed. So fuck it all, it's the aftershock. Yeah, you were on the block, but you weren't at the block. It's new money, new shows, every city is my home now. But still I do it for my hometown. Third eye open, I can see it when it goes down. Oh wow, now they acting like they know how. They know I got what they need. I make them fall to their knees. They know I got what they need. I make them fall to their knees. And I'll never ever sell my soul. No, 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 no. I've been doing this on my own for too long. Told them they would never break me down. I can see it in their faces now. They're anxious for me. Yeah, they're anxious for me. I am an Asian guy, tea in a plate of rice, half naked in Mother Nature, my swag like a native tribe. Warrior, war blades, war sword for the war wage, warlord of this whole world, face covered in war paint. Cops out here with the power, they hunger for it. Like, boy, when you get out of school, I'm coming for you. Target on my back like I'm super marketable, and it's all in my head, swimming round like sharks in a pool. For all these suckers out here that's repping the wrong side, fake ass rappers are repping the wrong guy. Yeah, you get hoes, but they only online, and yeah, you play at shows, but nobody co-signs. I feel like nobody can save you, you're too far gone. Only person who played you is in your songs. You know you wasn't really built for this, cause when it comes to music, I kill you for just my shot. Money, new shows, every city is my home now. But still I do it for my hometown. Third eye open, I can see it when it goes down. Oh wow, now they acting like they know how. They know I got what they need. I make them fall to their knees. They know I got what they need. I make them fall to their knees. And I'll never ever sell my soul. No, 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 no. I've been doing this on my own for too long. Told them they would never break me down. I can see it in their faces now. They're anxious for me. Yeah, they're anxious for me. Yeah.
Getting mine a little different than y'all. I roll the dice with my life, but I'm quick on the draw. I'm trying to gamble with this music while correcting my flaws. They call me stupid cause I do it and it's pissing them off, but I done made it from the bottom to the middle and I'm still climbing. They hate it from the beginning, but I'm still rhyming, and I'ma play my position until they try and sign me. And y'all are victims to my name, where that dotted line be. Try and find me, I be on a new wave, and this is doomsday, motherfucker, new age. My team coming, y'all running, stay out the cruise way, and y'all can do this for fun, we do this till dues paid. This what I wanted all my goddamn life though, and y'all are tripping for thinking you even might blow. I started out moving packs by the light pole, and now I'm traveling and I'm rapping, achieving life goals.
New money, new shows, every city is my home now. But still I do it for my hometown. Third eye open, I can see it when it goes down. Oh wow, now they acting like they know how. They know I got what they need. I make them fall to their knees. They know I got what they need. I make them fall to their knees. And I'll never ever sell my soul. No, 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 no. I've been doing this on my own for too long. Told them they would never break me down. I can see it in their faces now. They're anxious for me. Yeah, they're anxious for me. Yeah. The crow calls my whole crew, they bang a rang. Switching lanes, I'm hitting gears, I'm Clubber Lang. The Bruce Banner, a loose banner, a loose cannon. I do damage to bank cabbage, you all famished. To live lavish is so to who's baddest. The drug raps, the word crack, the new addict. The dude's attic is full of nudes, a new habit. Like, follow me, yo. I got a pocket full of change, homie, and I don't need your 2 cents. Your rent's due, your hype's gone, your fuse bent. I'm the pipe bomb, despite wrong, your crew sent. Right to your doorstep with a Ummagrip, pair of forceps, lobotomize the cortex. I'm the hero of the lasso, lord to the fly flow. You can try to take my blood, the last boys died though. New money, new shows, every city is my home now. But still I do it for my hometown. Third eye open, I can see it when it goes down. Oh wow, now they acting like they know how. They know I got what they need. I make them fall to their